Welcome to BikeZone Pro, your ultimate destination for the latest updates on bikes and electric vehicles. Today, we are diving into something game-changing, the 2025 Jio Electric Scooter. Reliance Jio is stepping into the EV market, and this could be the most affordable electric scooter in India. Let's find out if it's worth the hype. Futuristic design and features. The Jio Electric Scooter is expected to come with a sleek, modern design, featuring LED headlamps, alloy wheels, and a digital display. Built for urban commuting, this scooter will focus on lightweight construction and smooth aerodynamics, making it ideal for city riders. Battery, range and performance. Powered by an advanced lithium-ion battery, the Jio Electric Scooter is rumored to offer a range of 80 to 120 kilometers per charge. Charging time is expected to be 3 to 4 hours, with fast charging capabilities available in premium variants. With a top speed of around 60 to 70 km per hour, this scooter is perfect for daily commuting. Smart technology and connectivity. Jio is known for digital innovation, and its electric scooter will likely include smart connectivity features such as a mobile app, GPS tracking, and remote diagnostics. Some models may also offer keyless ignition and regenerative braking, adding to its futuristic appeal. Expected price and launch date. The biggest attraction. The price. The Jio Electric Scooter is expected to be priced around 40,000 Indian rupees to 60,000 Indian rupees, making it one of the most affordable electric scooters in India. The official launch is rumored for late 2025, with bookings possibly starting earlier. Final thoughts. With its budget-friendly price, reliable performance, and smart features, the Jio Electric Scooter could be a game-changer in India's EV market. If you're looking for a cost-effective, eco-friendly alternative for daily commuting, this could be the perfect choice. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates from BikeZone Pro. Let us know in the comments, would you switch to an electric scooter if it's this affordable?